Find the value of length of x. Join line O, C equals to are the radius of the circle. From triangle B, AC. Let angle B, A, C equals to theta. Use cosine rule. The square of line B, C equals the sum of the square of line B, A and the square of line A, C minus 2 times the product of line B, A and line A, C times cosine theta. Substitute value and we have that. The square of 30 equals the sum of the square of 30 and the square of 48 minus 2 times the product of 30 and 48 times cosine theta. We have that. Cosine theta equals to the value shown on the screen. Take the cosine inverse of the equation. It implies that theta equals to 36.87 degrees. This follows that 2 times theta equals 2 times 36.87 degrees, which equals to 73.74 degrees. We call it equation 1. Consider triangle B, OC. Use cosine rule. The square of line BC equals 2 times the product of the square of line O, B times 1 minus cosine 2 times theta. Substitute values. It follows that the square of 30 equals 2 times the product of the square of R and 1 minus cosine 73.74 degrees. Make the square of R the subject of the formula. We obtained an equation for the square of R. Find the square root of the equation. It implies that R equals the square of 30 divided by the product of 2 and 1 minus cosine 73.74 degrees, which equals to 24.999940453. Let angle DO, C equals beta, which equals to 180 degrees minus 2 times theta. Substitute equation 1 for theta. It implies that angle DO, C equals beta, which equals 106.25 degrees. From triangle DOC. Use cosine rule. The square of line C, D equals the value shown on the screen. Simplify and we have that. The square of 30 equals the sum of the square of R and the square of x minus 2 times the product of x and R, times cosine 106.25 degrees. Substitute values and we have that. The square of 30 equals the value shown on the screen. Simplify and combine like terms in one side of the equation. The sum of the square of x and 13.99141737 times x minus 275.00297735 equals 0. Use general formula of quadratic equation. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of the square of b minus 4 times the product of a and c, all divided by 2 times a. Substitute values, simplify the result, and we have that x is approximately equals to 11.002705561 or negative 21.99412298. It implies that x equals 11 units or x is not equals to negative 21.99 units. Therefore, x equals to 11 units to 2 decimal places.